Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here. So I had something go wrong, I guess, with my recording software. I don't really know, but I literally got to the point where I'd finished the project and I went to go find the video and it was gone. So I haven't completely finished the project because it was a Mod Podge one. But you can clearly see all the stuff from the box is unboxed and everything. So I guess I'll just show you guys that stuff real quick and then we'll finish up on my project. So sorry about this. Nothing I can really do. It's the way it is. So, these were the die cuts. These were the big ones with the girl. So there's those. Okay, and then, oh, that one is part of the other die cuts, but there's the girl ones. And then here is, I think I had already decided on those two. So here's the little die cuts. I feel really bad about this because my videos for this are usually pretty good. So there you go. There's the little die cuts, kind of beach themed. There's a little beach sign and some towels drying and surfboards and stuff. So really fun summer stuff. Oh, and then there's one more, but I'm going to use that for my project. And then there is quote cards, which I grabbed. So they're foiled and it says it's kind of fun to do the impossible. And then it says the best dreams happen when you're awake. See, there's glue all over my fingers and everything. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. She did that quote twice. It's funny because the background's the same pattern, it's just a different color. And then love always wins. The possibilities are endless. And then break the rules. So this is a project for school, so I'm not going to have a break the rules on there, but and then this month we had sticky pockets, which if you had been able to watch that part, I pulled this one out. This one was the one on top, and I don't know if you can see, but the foiling stuck to their packaging and ripped off of the bows from here. So they're all missing chunks of foiling, but the other three are just fine. So these are the colors that they came in. But so I got 3 out of 4 are okay. I mean, it isn't too horrible, but I was kind of sad that it did that. So I showed you the die cuts. Here's the sticky patch that is going to go on my happy planner. That was the packaging it came in. Don't know what was in that one. The washi tape was this one right here, the unicorn floaty with the water. I didn't use this in my project just because it's very, it kind of sets, this is going to be on my desk all year. I didn't want something that was summer themed, if that makes sense. And then she did include a stamp in this month's kit, the girl with the umbrella, so you can color that in. The sticky notes are the unicorn ones with little cute foil bordering around it. The stickers, she has foil quote stickers with some hashtags. So super cute. Love those. Then she has these little, a little bit smaller than quarter boxes, which are nice. And then the little unicorns. And then she has the girls with the umbrellas in the back of their heads with their pretty flowers in their hair. And then here we have the girls kind of sitting on the beach is kind of what I imagine. So super cute. And then we have kind of beach stuff. And then I like the pineapple flowers. That's adorable. So there's the stickers, the stamp. There's that. The planner clip was a felt planner clip. It's pretty thick on the front, and then it has one of those paper clips that kind of comes up in the front. So I guess it makes it easier to slide on your planner. And then the back has a little felt dot to cover the back of the paper clip. But it's pretty thick. It's bendable. You're not going to wrinkle it or rip it or anything, so that's kind of nice. And then the tabs that are always in the kit, but I always feel like I have trouble using, are the different patterns of paper that are in the kit as well. And then the stickers for labels, you did them in pink on both of them. So you have 2 of each so that you can do the front and back of each of your tabs. I like the girl boss. See, there's some stickers in here that are not necessarily have to be tabs. So I think they're cute. So you guys can use those for whatever you want. Those are the tabs, and then I'm going to show you the sticker book. The sticker book was a big item this time. A lot of people were super excited about this. It's kind of holographic, and then it's got the white bows on there, and then it's got a nice little snap. And then here's like the where you slide the stickers in. They're kind of fogged, they're not completely clear. Like I've seen a variety of different sticker books now that it's like, if I put this in, it fits. But see how it's like, it's kind of fogged over, which is fine. You can still see what the stickers are. I'm just letting you know it's not completely clear. I've had some sticker books that are completely clear and some that aren't. Hers are usually kind of fogged over like that a little bit. So there's a ton of pages of those. Love that. This was probably the most exciting thing I think in the box for a lot of people. And then I did cut up some of the paper already for my project. I have this one I didn't use this time. It's got a little bit of kind of that shimmery foiling on the flowers. Not sure how well you guys can see that. Anyway, and then the back has this has kind of the foiling too. If you guys can see the shine there. Oh, there's a line on that one too. I have a big line right there on the paper. It was on this one too. See the big line? Yeah, I don't know. I contacted customer service about that in the sticky pocket, so we'll see what they say. And then there was two sheets of these, but I used one of them. The back is blue with like little spotted flowers. And then I love the watercolor flowers. And then I used this one too. So there was two of these. Which I love this one with like the mixture of daffodils and other flowers. And then it had like this yellow foiling pattern on the back. And then the vellum was this really cute watercolor flowers, or what I call those. And then the acetate was the unicorns. And then I already showed you that one. So I think that's it for that. I think the last thing was these stickers in the box. I'm so sorry, you guys. You didn't get to see the full unboxing. So these are like die cut stickers, but I don't think they're washable or anything, so I wouldn't put them on like a water bottle. But I think I'm gonna put this one on my work computer, or this one, because this one is just so seasonal. And then my little like Raskog cart thing that I have from Michael's is white, so these aren't really gonna go in there. But it's like a sparkly white, you guys can see. So super cute. Loved pretty much everything. Let me show you the washi tape. It came in the washi tape kit, and then we can finish up my project. I'm so sorry about this video, you guys. I even told my husband, I was like, I'm really sorry it messed up. I have to film some more. Okay, so here's part of the washi tape kit. I think it has some of that shimmer on there. So it's that red floral print. It's this right here, but bigger. Okay, so that was what was on the skinny one. And then the regular size one was this blue one with the dotted flowers, black and white dotted flowers. And then the other one was the extra wide one, was my favorite, the watercolor flowers. So I unwrapped this one just to show it, but these ones I felt like were on the paper so you could see them just fine. And then I did use this one in my project. So let's get back to that while we can. Which is funny because this was going to be a two-part video and now it's not because my video messed up and you guys didn't even get to see me make it. So basically I measured the paper and fit it to this. This is the one I wanted to use. Yeah. And I fit it to the paper. I bought this wood stand basically in the wood section in Michael's for less than $2. So I thought I would do a quote on one side and a picture on another. So I'm gonna do the picture on this side because I kind of messed up on the other side. So here's where I put the washi tape all around the bottom, and then there's some of that yellow paper down here, and then I put the washi tape all around the sides and edges, and then I Mod Podge the whole thing. This is where I messed up on my Mod Podge. I think I got the paper a little too wet right there, and then I touched it with my finger and I kind of like tore some of the paper. But the rest of it down here is fine, so I'm just going to make sure my quilt covers that up. I'm not even sure you guys can see it. Right there. See the little mess up? There was a bubble and I was trying to fix it and I messed with it. So I thought this one would be good right here. Like put that up there. And then I was going to put these little pineapple flowers right there with it. So that'll be what the back looks like, and then the front will just have a photo on there. I don't have a photo yet that I want to put on there yet, but I'm just going to use my glue runner. So I feel bad that you guys didn't get the whole tutorial of how to make this, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So I like a lot of the wood stuff in this section at Michael's. I'll bring this down a little bit. There's still a little bit of glue drying up there, but I was like, oh man, I can't believe this happened. So I used my glue runner on the die cut too. But not a huge problem. I still showed you everything, just not in the whole like, I'm pulling it out of the bag right now kind of thing. So sorry. You didn't get like first reactions. So I think that'll be kind of the way it looks. And these are glue runnered on, so I can always change it off if I want to. And then this will be where my photo is. I think if I measure this, I can at least tell you guys how big it is. So that's a little bit bigger than that. About there. About 5.5 by 4. So it won't fit a 4x6 photo. I'll probably take a 4x6 photo and cut it to about a 3x4 or something like that and put it on there. I also thought about getting a clip to put on here, or just using washi tape to hold the photo on there so I can change it out when I want to. So that's what the project is. It's kind of like, it's for your desk, so you can look at the photo on this side and then other people can look at a nice little quote on the back side. So that was the idea. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe. I really am sorry that it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but I think you get the gist of everything. Did I show you the stickers? I did show you the stickers, right? Yeah, I did. Try to make sure I didn't forget anything. Okay. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.